Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I will talk about how to share your location on Instagram with your friends. So to know how to do this, just follow me step by step. First, we go to Instagram app and you click here. After that, in this page, you will go to this sign of profile. Then you have to go to this button on above and you will enter. After that, you will find this page. You will click on story and location. You will enter here. And then here on this page you will find story and location, and you will find location sharing. As you see, Instagram map. And then here we'll find turn on location services. For a more accurate map, allow Instagram to access your location in your device settings. Tap location to turn on it like this. You will turn on or enable your location on permissions like this. And after that you will go back to the Instagram app, and here in this page you will find not showing location. You click on it and you can choose whom you want to share your location. If you want to share it with your friends or your close friends or only these friends, and you can select the exact friends you want to share with them the location. And as you see here, you will read if you share your precise location updates every time you open Instagram, but disappears if you don't open the app for 24 hours. So your location will be shared just if you are opening the app, but if you close it for 24 hours it will not be shared with your friends. So you can choose, for example, only these friends. You can choose which friends you want to share with them this location. And when you do this, you can share. As you see here, there are some people, they share their location here in this page. So that's it. If you enjoying this video, and if you enjoy watching this video, and if this video help you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next